Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go ahead and put our door panel back on. We've done all the repairs we need to inside there. Window regulator, door lock actuator, everything that you would need the door panel off for. So now we're going to go ahead and put it back on. A couple things that we have to rehook these up. We have an electric line that goes to a light at the bottom for when your door is open. And then we have this electrical connector to be hooked up to the door before we can snap it all on there. So we'll start by hooking the electric line up at the bottom. That is for the light. And then we have the door handle cables. And then this electric on the front side, just pull and snap. So now what you'll do is you'll raise the door up, get there's a channel on the top here that we need to get into the screw. So I started on the front and moved it down over this way, and now we have all those there's push clips on the back. We just line those up. Work our way around. We have this one exterior push pin to put in and lock that into place. We have the two screws to put back in here, the one screw right here, and the covers that cover it. All right, so 3 screws in place, then we can go ahead and put these cover plates back on. Snap them into place. Snap that one into place. And then the last one is this cover, the triangle cover that covers for the side mirror. So that's how you put your door panel on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.